like I've never heard of them, and they'll be sending me videos like children telling me how they want to join the army, women telling me how they want to join. Every morning I'm getting these. So this is not a post-promotion success strategy. This is the beginning of what we're about to do with Major Sandeep's legacy.
Sai, would you like to share something like what was a very memorable and best moment of your life? You talk about media like what did you have played?
Promotion wise,
Anything, any fellow fan or whoever. How's your dad's reaction and would you was
my dad's reaction is actually very unusual because every time we show dad a movie, it could be the best movie ever. We know it's the best movie ever if he says, good, and he walks out. So I think for him to react so nicely after watching Major was something very unexpected, but I welcomed it with open arms. I was very happy. He came out and he said, it's a very good film, it's going to do well, and also said that even if you weren't in it, I would have still loved it. So I think that was a very big compliment. And he called Sej after. I was talking to him and he took the phone from me and said, let me talk. And he had a conversation.
He became my second favorite Mahesh sir in all of India.
I think that was really, really great.
हाय, एक सवाल आपसे यहाँ पर। हाय, आप ही की फिल्म के साथ में और एक फिल्म रिलीज हुई थी और उसको टैक्स फ्री मतलब करार दे चुके हैं, तो आप कुछ सोच रहे उस दिशा में कि आपकी फिल्म को भी टैक्स फ्री का?
जी हाँ, मैंने कल पब्लिकली सोनी को ट्वीट किया था कि यार टैक्स फ्री स्टेटस के लिए अप्लाई करते हैं, तो मैं जरूर अप्लाई करना चाहता हूँ। मेहुल, करते हैं।
Mr. Sheikh, hello.
I think so.
Mr. Sheikh, hi.
Namaste.
Congratulations on the success of the film. How does success seem to you now as an actor? Because you said if you're from a non-film background. And my second question, would you like to touch upon other unsung heroes in life? Would you try to do a film?
I think so. Well, I mean, I'm not taking away from the success of this film, but it's my fifth film in a row that's worked, so I'm happy, truly happy. So I'm used to the success part of it. I think what I'm not used to is the kind of respect. कल तक जो लोग मुझे तुम कह रहे थे, वो आज मुझे आप बोल रहे हैं. So that's respect is something I'm really getting used to, and I'm really starting to get used to. I think this is truly the most meaningful film we've ever done. As far as unsung heroes, मैं बस ये कहना चाहूँगा कि I think I would be taken less seriously कि मैं हर साल एक unsung hero के बारे में पिक्चर बना रहा हूँ, तो शायद I'll be taken less seriously. But I want to sing about so many heroes in my own way. Not everything has to be a film.
हाय शेष, आशीष है
भाई,
शेष, जब भी आपसे मिलता हूँ मुझे ऐसा लगता है शेष से नहीं मिल रहा हूँ, मैं संदीप, मेजर संदीप से मिल रहा हूँ. वो जो बॉडी लैंग्वेज है, इमोशंस हैं, और हर बार इमोशनल कर देते हो आप. जब बात करते हो ना, वो लगता है कि दिल से बोल रहे हो, दिल से दिल तक लगती हो बात. ये दर्शकों तक पहुंची है. और हिंदी में, जैसा आप बोल रहे थे कि साउथ में आपकी फिल्म चली, हिंदी में स्लो थी थोड़ी, लेकिन मेरे ख्याल से ऐसा कोई फिल्म नहीं देखी हाल फिलहाल में जिसका 100% जंप मिला हो. आप इस चीज को कैसे देखते हो? और पैन इंडिया स्टार और ये सब की बात हो रही है, मेरे ख्याल से आप पैन इंडिया, इससे बड़ा कोई स्टार हो नहीं सकता.
पैन इंडिया हो या फैन इंडिया हो, मैं ज्यादा इन चीजों के बारे में सोचता नहीं हूँ. बट ट्रूथ बी टोल्ड, we're only beginning the journey. तो अभी बहुत कुछ करने को है. उससे ज्यादा मैंने कुछ सोचा नहीं. इसके अलावा मैं बस जब आया था, मैं ये भी सोच रहा था जितने सारे फोटोग्राफर्स वो सब थे, I was wondering if they'd eaten and drank something, because we've literally been, as Sohail sir said, we've been promoting non-stop, so which means we've been running. You guys also have been running with us and helping us so much. So thank you for that, and thank you for the reviews, guys, man. I heard a lot कि इस शहर में लोग मुंह पे कुछ और बोलते हैं, पीछे कुछ और होता है, but genuinely the kind of reviews we've got, I thank you. I thank you both for your reviews and for your criticisms, and frankly, especially the ratings.
स्पेशली और दर्शकों ने जो, मतलब दर्शकों के वो रोने वाली वीडियोस, मैंने आपको मैसेज भी किया था, आपने देखा होगा. लोग मतलब वो पेड नहीं थे, लोगों को आजकल पेड करना पड़ता है, वो रहे हैं।
रोने का पेड़ करना पड़ता है वो बात नहीं यार, हम साउथ वालों को बहुत कुछ सीखना है रोने।
हम सीख रहे हैं।
शेष 10-15 साल की जर्नी है, वो शुरुआत में जो रिजेक्शंस मिलेंगे, स्ट्रगल विदाउट एनी गॉडफादर, एक मुकाम हासिल किया है, इस तरीके की फिल्म बनाई है कन्विक्शन के साथ। वो जो रिजेक्शंस हुए थे वो सब याद आ रहे हैं, अब वो लोग मिलते हैं।
Of course, there was this very big producer, जो अभी भी बहुत ही बड़ा प्रोड्यूसर है. I remember him looking at me saying, "शेष, तुम दिखने में तेलुगु नहीं लगते, तुम दिखने में नॉर्थ इंडियन लगते हो, तेलुगु वाले कभी नहीं मानेंगे कि तुम हीरो हो, बी अ विलन." क्योंकि हम बॉम्बे से बहुत सारे विलन्स को लाते हैं, विलन बनो तेलुगु फिल्मों में. He recently offered me a 3-film contract. So, मतलब वो तो है ही. And I mean, I think, look, I don't know anyone here. Sachi, the only people I know are the people in this room. So I have nothing to lose. But the kind of support we've gotten in terms of the industry itself has largely been due to Sai's family, because वो सबको जानते हैं, and वो भी एकदम एक respectful तरीके में उनको फिल्म दिखाकर पूछ रहे हैं, can you do something for us? It was never like, चलो यार एक ट्वीट कर दो. It was a very like curve and proper, मतलब proper तरीके में, you know, and it's insane because Telugu में, you know, Bunny, my friend, the star of Pushpa, he wrote such a beautiful, heartfelt note about the film. My friend Vijay, who's starring in Liger, wrote such a heartfelt note about the film last night. Mahesh sir spoke and he's producing the film. I mean, just so much support we've gotten from a lot of my colleagues there. And Salman sir here has, I mean, लोगों को शायद ये लगे कि वो producer है, because he's tweeted the teaser, the trailer, and he's truly been overjoyed at, you know, extending his support to his massive fan base for our honest effort. And I think it came from a place of respect. It wasn't from a place of favors, because you know, we genuinely asked for it. We said, "Sir, can you do it?" And for him to actually reverse say, "Oh, what else can I do?" meant a lot to us. So the kind of support we've gotten there, and especially from Salman sir here, has been amazing. We only hope to get more support from the colleagues here, because more and more people are discovering the film. And because I'm a new guy, it will take time for them to realize कि नहीं यार कुछ है वहाँ पे. That engine वो रुक नहीं रहा है, वो engine चल रहा है. यार ये भागने लगा है, अरे वो 80 पे अब 100 पे आ गया. Okay, ठीक है. Let's find out what it's about. You know.
So hi, Pratham here from Latestly.